How to send a message to Etsy seller. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily send a message to Etsy seller or how you can message a seller on Etsy. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. The first step, what you want to do is you want to open up the Etsy. You can head into your browser on any of your device, and what you want to do is you want to search in for Etsy.com. Once you head into this page here, you can see the page will load up. Now make sure you're logged into your account. Now the first thing, in order to message a seller, what you want to do is you want to open up a particular product or item that you want to message the seller of. Now in my case, I'll just open up this particular product here, and once you tap on it here, it's load up. And once you open it up, once the product loads up, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below here, and you should see the option description, shipping and return policies, and under it you can see meet your seller. You want to simply tap on meet your seller option, and you'll be able to see this seller, and you want to simply tap on message seller option, and you'll be able to send a message here. So this way you can easily send a message to Etsy seller. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.